Hey, what's up guys, Gaurav, back with the video, and guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about how you can use universal control on your Mac as well as on your iPad. So let's begin. So guys, before enabling the universal control, let's just talk about what is actually universal control. So universal control is a feature where you can use your cursor on the Mac to move the items between your Mac and your iPad. It's not like the sidecar, that's a whole different thing, but universal control is a little bit different. So basically you can control simultaneously two devices using universal control. So for example, I have the cursor on the Mac and I can move it to the iPad as well. So I'm gonna show you how you can enable the universal control feature. So let's just talk about the how to turn on universal control on Mac. So guys, to turn on universal control on Mac, you need to go to the system preferences or setting. So once I go over here, you have the option of the display. So you go to display and you have the option for universal control at the bottom. Just click on it and select these two options. The first two options allow your cursor and keyboard to move between any nearby Mac or iPad. It's in beta version right now, but it will still gonna work. And the other option is push through the edge of the display to connect to a nearby Mac or iPad. You can also turn on the third option, but I don't usually turn this on. So just click on done and your universal control is actually now enabled. So guys, on iPad you need to go to the settings, then you need to go to the general, and here you have the option of AirPlay and hands off. Just click on it and the third option says cursor and keyboard beta. So you need to turn this on. As you can see, I have already turned it on. So now what you have to do is go on your Mac. As you can see, I am on the Mac. The cursor is actually on Mac right now. And now if I want to control my iPad, I can simply drag the cursor towards the corner of the Mac and it will automatically switch to the iPad. As you can see, we have this small circle on the screen of the iPad. This is our cursor now and we can use it to open any of the app. As you can see, I am on the iPad right now and we have this kind of animation on the edge of the iPad. So you can just move your cursor between this and you can select any of the app. For example, if I go to YouTube, as you can see, we have this small circle in the middle and you can scroll up and down. Yes, you can use two different devices using one cursor. So if I go back on the Mac, as you can see, now the cursor is on Mac right now, and then I can easily switch between iPad as well as on the Mac. So this is the universal control. It's available on the Mac OS 12.3 as well as on iPad OS 15.4. You can also connect one more device as well. For example, if you have an external monitor, you can still do that. And then if you also have another iPad, you can switch between the devices as well. ऑल्सो गाइस यू कैन यूज़ एन एक्सटर्नल माउस, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं जो है यहाँ पे लॉजिटेक का M337 यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. सो बेसिकली इट्स अ वायरलेस माउस, ब्लूटूथ माउस, और यू डोंट रिक्वायर एनी डोंगल टू यूज़ दिस विद द मैक और विंडोज़. सो दैट्स द माउस आई एम यूजिंग टू कंट्रोल द मैक एज वेल एज द iPad in the universal control. So you can use a mouse as well, external mouse as well, to control both the devices. So I have leave the link for this mouse in the description. If you are interested in buying it, you can surely check out the description. So guys, मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों को वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी. अगर अच्छी लगी इस वीडियो को तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और मेरे चैनल को जो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. थैंक यू.